Here I've got XIAOMI Mi Lite, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here you will find date and time. And you can either use automatic date and time or you can turn it off. And now you can pick date and time manually by yourself. So from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. Then you can also switch off automatic time zone, and you can select one from the following list. So at first you have to pick the region and then time zone if available. And also you can change the time format. Just click on time format and you can choose either 12 or 24 hours. I will pick 24, and this is it. So this is how you can change date, time and time zone in your device. Whenever you'd like to go back to automatic setup, all you have to do is to tap on those switchers, and as it for time format, just click on time format and go to the auto. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily change the date and time in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.